Hello there guys, welcome to the most shittiest unboxing video you can find on YouTube. So today we'll be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. And bear with me because I had zero planning and no proper setup into making this video. So this will be the shoulder bag which comes exclusive with the Fly More combo. That would be the first look at the drone itself, and at a glance it's a bit bigger than the first edition of the Mavic Air, but definitely smaller than the Mavic Air Pro 2. And we get another box, the joystick, and more boxes. So the first thing I noticed is that this has a hell lot of stickers all over it. So it may take a minute or two before you can actually activate the drone. So here's a closer look at the camera. This is a half-inch sensor which can shoot up to 48 megapixels. Pretty cool stuff, eh? So that will be the charging pad which can charge up to 3 batteries at the same time alternatively. So right off the bat you can see that the new controller is at least twice as bigger than the older one, and the LCD screen is gone now. And the new controller also has the mobile phone mount on the top rather than the bottom, which also I prefer. And you can find the joysticks tucked in below, and you can just fix them up when you need. And in this box we can find the batteries, the power adapters and cables. So nothing's really special here, it's a typical DJI style battery pack, and you can also see that the LED lights are placed circular across the button. So in this we can find the propellers. So there's in total 6 pairs of propellers, where 2 of them are primary and 4 of them are spare, which you get only with the Fly More combo. Paperwork, more propellers, the spare ones. So the ND filters and the controller cables are actually tucked in inside the shoulder bag. So we are looking at an ND16, 64 and a 256. It's pretty nice of them to give in all of this in the Fly More combo. So that will be the controller charging cable and the smartphone connector. And that will be the power bank adapter, which you can use to charge up your batteries. And we are getting a pair of spare joysticks in case you lose them. So for a small comparison, here's the first edition of the Mavic Pro, which as you can see is at least 30% bigger than the Mavic Air 2. And the battery, as you can see, is significantly bigger than the Mavic Air 2 one, and definitely heavier. The new gimbal won't allow 90-degree rotation of your camera, which means you cannot shoot portrait photos or videos anymore. And that's quite a bummer. The controller looks and feels more simpler, so kudos to that. And finally, if you like this video, which is highly unlikely, make sure to like and subscribe.